have a fun little property tour for you today on a home that's located in Hurricane, Utah. It's called the Serenity of Sandstone Fields, and it was built by American Heritage Homes. The plan designer was Kayla Foster, and the interior designer is House West Design. Now, let me tell you a little bit about this home. This home has 5 bedrooms, it's 5.5 bathrooms, it's a 4-car garage, and it has just over 4,300 square feet. I'll go ahead and put those specs up on the screen for you. As well as when we're done with this video, go ahead and drop me a comment. I'm interested to hear what's your favorite feature and what you like most about this home. And if you are considering a move to Utah, I put together a free Moving to Utah guide just for folks like you. And I will go ahead and put that link in the description. And as always, thank you so much for your continued support of me and my channel. And this channel is all about everything real estate, market updates. We talk about everything you need to know about selling a home, relocating, buying a home, and where to live in Utah. So make sure you subscribe, sit back, and enjoy the video.